So, you're ready to pair your Spacetalk Adventurer. This video will run you through the pairing process step by step. Before you start, be sure to download the Spacetalk app and create your account. This will make things easier later. As soon as that's done, you're ready to get your watch paired up. Okay, firstly, make sure the watch is fully charged. Then, with the watch switched off, insert a SIM card into the SIM cover. If you inserted the SIM while the watch was on, that's okay. Just hold down the power button to restart. You'll see a message that says tap to pair. Go ahead, tap it. The watch will automatically look for new software updates, then when it's ready, it'll display a QR code. Now, on the Spacetalk app, select Add New Device from the app menu and tap the image of Spacetalk Adventurer. Set up the watch user's profile, then tap Continue. Scan the QR on the Spacetalk Adventurer using your mobile phone's camera and then confirm the pairing on Spacetalk Adventurer. Tap Get Started on Spacetalk Adventurer and then complete the setup process on the Spacetalk app. Just like that, you're done! Please visit the support page on our website for more information or if you have any questions.